You know it's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. People, wagwan. I hope everybody good. I hope everybody alright. If for the first time you check out the Chaddy TV, don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button and turn on post notification. No? So anytime I upload videos like these, you definitely are go be the first to know.
Now we are set the pace. Dominate and it could be place. Pull the gate, could do wait till it's straight side. We are in the place.
And people, in this review, I am sad to say, foolinish go on. As well, Fame just would have said, Buckry go on. Fame, big up yourself. But here what me I say now, Dexta Daps perform over one show over on part round and one corner. And one catty, a jump, you know Dexta Daps thing go. Once, a Dexta Daps, the female a go get crazy. And a female go up on the stage and a wine pan Dexta. But them a say now is a man, sir. We have that story to talk about. And we also have to talk about Jayy go up on Mount Pleasant, that around one part of Portland, and dominate the stage. Jaja. And I'm alone. Buster do it too. I remember me telling you from Shirley around, say, a Portland time now. A Portland I go wave the flag. So now I forgot to talk about it. All of that and more after this.
Now I pull them aware that a uniform mix the Gucci up with Louis Vuitton. Tell them how we are set the pace.
Yeah, Chaddy Murray, I'm your biggest fan.
What a vibes! Chaddy Murray TV.
For all the vlogs and recent update, mailing Chaddy Murray. Bototom, Bush, Yaxter said that.
So people, me I scroll up on the gram and me see this post and me just have to share it with my subscriber them. Elephant kills 70-year-old woman in India and come back to stamp on her corpse at her funeral. And people, that mean the elephant come back to stamp up on her dead body at the funeral. Me know say a elephant never forget, but this kind a little bit extreme. Do you think? Comment in the comment section and let me know what you think the 70-year-old woman would have do this a elephant, you know, make the elephant as a cross, hungry, miserable. And you know who wasn't cross, hungry, or miserable? Bounty Killa yesterday at his 50th. It's a party birthday, because it's definitely a party. And we have some clips and highlights for that event.
My sister! Hi, my baby! Mama Kitchen! Yo! 50! Me 50 caliber weapon sure! On board the two-face grenade booper! So them look like toothpaste! When the bus is selfish shot! Why? Y'all! On a bulletproof vessel!
And that wasn't the only performance for the night. People, we see something what we not see in our ears. I'm not going to talk it out. Watch this.
You know, let me see some bananas. Musto. Whoa, no time you don't move and balance. And I take off the boy. I want to know, Mr. Kennedy, to the family, if I'm not first year, I don't do it. They can never get on the pass. Hey, find something around this side up. Don't spoil up. Well, I know. Hey, you a punk and your throat me a go slash. Do what you know about those guys, huh? And one rifle strap on. I real Jamaican gun and so. This is your girl, man, I get in her. Have you ever bust a man throat with her? You don't know no. What is it that they violate? Our house of him on down. People at it. Stand them for the ground. First you enjoy this Bounty Killa. You know we tell them, say, go f*** your mother.
Hey, popcorn will always be unruly. Gone from big Digicel stage, gonna say, go. Cha-cha. Anyway, do me a favor. Comment in the comment section and list the names of the artists you see. Me count about 5 or 6 artists, but me know more still. So people, right before we go in a day, Dexta Daps performance. The performance, we are wonder if Dexta Daps crowns up. Jaja. We are going to talk about the artists who play in at the beginning. And if you want to watch and follow Chaddy TV, you know say, I sign Jayy. Yeah man, Jayy get signed to Murray Music. That is it.
You got the thing you never know, man. Be a fire when I flying for the yard, man. Run up on the point, never done, man.
So people, check out Sing Jayy performance, or I should say highlights and clips of Sing Jayy performance at Flix God birthday party at Mount Pleasant last night. And people, hold on, I'm showing it first and then me tell you what go on. People, wanna look on the artist there. It's not a bounty killer, it's not a beanie man. And look, the artists are dominate the stage. You can't imagine when the artist is so keen on him career and reach him prime. People, wanna don't sleep and Sing Jayy career. Looking at the description now, click on the little something there, yeah, on the page something, and go over him official Vivo channel and make sure you subscribe. Follow him on all social media platform. Remember, you know, people, don't wait till the artist a boss and the artist a run Portland. You know, run in and talk about, yo, you know what, I don't know him. Chaddy used to vlog about him, right. Know him from now. That me a tell you know, people, the artist bad differently still, you know. Because right now, when me look on Jayy and Skeng and all of them artists here, me no see nothing with them have where the artists no have. People just look no man, look how the artists a deal with the stage no man. Hear what? I know how wait for the Dexta Daps saga. So I could go into that right now. In the meantime, make sure say you know follow Sing Jayy. Subscribe to Sing Jayy. Zin? Buster performance there too, but me not get the clip them yet. So now I go see a new artist. Remember me telling you say I'm me response for all of the Portland artists them right now. That is it. So people, I'm asking you that question here. The person here, the species here, where you see a wine pan Dexta Daps, is a female? Because the streets I said Dexta Daps sing the song, say bring it to the owner, you know. And it's a man run come game. Jaja. After that performance went viral, I'm not telling a lie, the performance part of it, X out if the species questionable, whether a man or a woman or whatever, the performance part of it, it bad. I'm not telling no lie. Right now in the game, a Dexta Daps can get the best show. I want to argue with me in the comment section. My woman still not got Dexta Daps party still, you know, but that different. So people, you know say when Chaddy TV forward boy and I do a story and I do a report, we not telling a lie for no artists. So when some little waste artists are going like them want to strike this and strike that, them soon strike till them run out of light. Anyway, I wake up and I scroll on the gram. I don't know who send me over there dream, you know. I don't know which crosses make that something here forward. And me see that little post up here where them a say that species there identify as a man. Me I say, Jaja, this don't look good for the artist. This not look good for the artist none at all. So them go so booms and share one little video with it where me can determine. So me I go make my subscribers and my viewers them determine and tell me what you think. Me don't know which smutty mind somebody I think so far. Or people, may I tell you the truth, I am not an inspector like that. So, me not gonna inspect that something there. But you tell me what go on. You tell me what you think go on. Pre this clip. So any of the bright sparks in the comment section can tell me what go on right there. So cause me personally don't know what go on. But all of me know some. Me don't know what go on. You don't just tell me what go on. But more have to tell some of my artists them this, and not only just the artists them, you know. Even the males them who watch this video now. Bro G, time change. It's not like one time. You can't look on an object and swear say that object is what you think it is because you look on it and it look like a particular object where you like. That no go so. You see me? Nowadays, it best for y'all know one girl from she young. And when me say know one girl from she young, me no mean no perverted way because we burn them something there. But me mean you and that girl grew up and go to school and then graduate and go to college or whatever. Like you know her and you know say that gender there or the one there is a female. You know say when she fill out a form for her birth certificate, a female click on it. You see me? More than them girl where someone they are foreign and want to get 10 girl a night. And then 5 out of girl them questionable on the gender. Somewhere when you give them a gender form, them all click other. Anyway, still, we don't know what going on with the artists. But me I tell this, me I tell the people them this. Me not go swear and say, yo, Dexta Daps rare. I don't know, me don't know. But a situation can happen to any artist. And to how me see it happen right now, that situation can happen to any of them man there, not me no. Can happen to me. Cannot happen to me, but it can happen to any man out there, not me. People, when you just stick to one woman here, don't be like Chaddy More TV and turn gallus. That's not right. Do your proper research and make sure so when she get a form to fill out, she take female on it. And she born that way there. You see me? You ask her for y'all all picture them when she young. When she have 5 and 3 and 1 and them thing there. Do no proper research when you know I go in a relationship and when you know I go get like a sex, you know, like one time. Do no proper research. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. Don't forget to leave a like on this video and comment in the comment section and let me know what you think about this topic we discussed today. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and guess what? A one way, any other way, or the wrong way. I'm gone.